go commit crimes. No, not that one. Not that one.
You're under arrest. Put your hands up. Under arrest.
Alright, good night, Gally. Alright, Mac. Good night, Bob.
Baby, are you okay? You look like you've seen some things.
Solo, can you tell me why you a bitch?
Where's my mommy? Where's my mommy? She's a bunny. Where's your mama? Where's your mama?
But you're just a pretty princess. Come here.
Should I eat healthy tonight? No, I didn't think so.
Look at this belly. It's so chunky. I'm so sorry.
Keep your paws closed, or you're gonna get off them. Thank you.
Oh, no. You don't need more food.